The world's first Swiss-made mechanical smartwatch. Imagined by renowned watch designer Pierre-André Finazzi. Developed by Jean-François Majon, Watchmaker of the Year 2010. Digitalized and led by Douglas Finazzi. Together, we have created a new relationship with time. Designed by tradition, empowered by the digital age. We combine a Swiss mechanical movement with an electronic module. We innovate with timeless features. A perpetual calendar, a GMT with automatic time zone, and an array of customizable features. X1 was born in Le Locle, Switzerland. It is an iconic, groundbreaking revolution in the world of refined grande complication. We have explored connections between craftsmanship and the digital world to bring about the essential. Select your inner circle for notifications of incoming calls and messages. Customize your experience by choosing from a library of features, including a pedometer, stopwatch, and more. X1 brings a new vision. The digital becomes tradition. The Swiss answer to smart watches.
It's the world's thinnest international charger, 4 times more powerful than its predecessor. It charges smartphones, tablets, and now even the latest MacBooks. Introducing the Mu One. Whether you are travelling, commuting, working, or at home, wherever you are, the Mu One is your pocket-sized charging companion.
It boasts power delivery technology for a fast, adaptive charge, and GaN technology for over 90% power efficiency.
With its patented interchangeable head system, the Mu One is truly international and can be used in over 200 countries worldwide. The UK plug head has a unique folding mechanism, reducing its size by over 70%. The US plug head has fold-away pins for storage and fits flush against the wall when in use. The EU plug head has a bi-directional mechanism that can be used flush against the wall or straight in, whatever suits best. The Mu One, for all your devices, wherever you are. The Mu One has a Type-C connector, so you just need to use the appropriate cable for your device. For micro USB products, simply connect a Type-C to a micro USB cable. For Lightning devices, connect a Type-C to a Lightning cable. And for Type-C devices, a C-to-C cable is what you need. The Mu One, for all your devices, wherever you are.
Robots are here already. They are part of our day-to-day life, and in a few years, they will be a basic element in our lives with thousands of jobs depending on them. That is why it is essential that young people understand how and why they operate, and how to communicate with them. Robobo is the next generation of educational robot. It uses a smartphone as the brain of the mobile base. From that moment, you can program it with your computer or tablet. Robobo can feel just like you do, see colors, hear sounds, recognize faces, shapes, sense when you touch him. It also knows how to talk, show his emotions, and of course he can move. All this thanks to the combination of Robobo's mobile base and the existing technology in current smartphones now available to you. Whether you do not know how to program or if indeed you are already an expert.
Using your smartphone's camera, Robobo can recognize objects, tags or faces. You can also use speech recognition or sound production. GPS, accelerometers, gyroscopes, internet connection. All of these together with the computational power of current smartphones allows you to develop a new level of projects in educational robotics.
Robobo is an educational tool to use in the classroom. Robots will become an educational element for classes. As such, young people must learn to deal with them and control them in a natural manner. Robobo allows you to learn the future of robotics now, as it has the capabilities of robots that will surround your lives in a few years' time. Robobo allows to incorporate 3D printed parts to extend its capabilities, so mechanical design is also part of the educational experience. Behind the idea of Robobo exists a group of engineers and researchers with extensive experience in the field of robotics. Our team has not only been responsible for the mechanical and electronic design, but also the support software for its control.
The hardware of robots typically limited us in order to provide high-level functionalities to general public robotics. With Robobo, the latest technology becomes available to anyone interested in learning how to program a real robot.
Robobo can do almost anything you can imagine. Just combine the right commands and see how it comes to life. There are no limits but imagination. Robobo brings technology closer to kids and makes it easy and fun.
Is anyone there?